today we recognize that we are in a battle similar to the battle of Revelation 12, which speaks of the battle between the ancient serpent and the woman and her seed. Revelation 12 also mentions a river, which together with the dragon threatens to swallow up the woman and her seed. And we are facing that revolution today all around us in our culture, in our world, and even threatening to enter into the church. And many members of the church falsely believe that it is the correct orientation to go down the hill rather than go up the hill. To go down the hill into the valley to make friends with the world, rather than to go up the hill to be crucified with Christ and to essentially do exactly what Christ told his friends to do, which is to pick up their cross and follow him. So that is our goal today, to do that in a spiritual sense, but in a literal way as well.